It's no secret that mobile phones are becoming increasingly advanced with each new release. But once again, Elon Musk does the unthinkable and comes up with a new technological advancement that baffles us all. We are talking about a new Tesla phone with built-in Starlink Wi-Fi. Want to know more about the mind-blowing Tesla phone?
Elon Musk has long been a disruptor in several different avenues in free market capitalism. Let's not forget he created PayPal. Then he went on to do this Tesla thing. Now he's got Starlink all up in the air, roaming around satellites in our orbit that is supposed to get you high-speed internet even out there in the wilderness. But guess what else is coming, my people? The Tesla cell phone, voice cell phone. And in this video, we're going to talk about the specs of it. And if you guys are going to get one, I'll think about it. If you're finding me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. This is the Life Gains Financial Channel. This channel is all about helping you make life gains, which is what we call quality of life, through saving money and then turning around and investing that money so that you can live off your money and give yourself quality of life. News broke about a month ago that Elon Musk is going to be using his Starlink satellite service to now create a cell phone. And not only is he going to be creating a cell phone, he's going to be building out his own phone. So think of it like this. Apple is now trying to get into the EV race and the autonomous car race. And what have they done for years? They produce phones. So now you've got one of the smartest people on the planet in Elon Musk turning around saying, I've already did so much technology with batteries and cars. Why not get into cell phones? And so recently he did a FCC filing to talk about a dedicated phone service via telecommunication services. The mobile service is going to be built in the Tesla phone to have the Starlink network providing the connections for the phone. And the thing that I'm most anticipating with this phone, because of the way they've developed such great battery technology with their cars, this is probably going to be the phone with the best battery we've ever seen on the planet of Earth, because he's going to use some of the same technology that he's putting into his Tesla vehicles to put into this phone. And I can't wait to see this. Now, one thing that lets me know that this service is going to be great is because if you're just going to be banking it on the back of the Starlink internet line, right now that service is so good, Elon Musk is in deliberations and negotiations with several airline companies to allow people to use Starlink up in the sky. And they're saying that the service is almost as fast as 5G, a little faster than 4G, but not quite as fast as 5G. And if that contract holds through, that's going to tell me everything I need to know about the phone service. Now, the fly in the ointment, we don't know what the prices of this new phone service is going to be. So that's still kind of up for grabs. How much is this phone service going to cost people? Now, he's developing this thing because he really wants people that go to rural areas and people that love to do outdoor adventures and things of that nature to still be able to get phone service, because there are some places you go right now. If you was to go hiking in Mount Everest, it's hard to get phone service unless you have a satellite phone. Elon Musk wants to see a planet we're living on where you can go up there and just take your cell phone and still be able to get good service. So I'm interested, and I want to see how it works, and I want to see if it's going to be fast, but I want to know the prices. He's intimated in some conversations he's had that he wants this thing to be affordable for those who are in poverty. So that tells me that it's at the very least got to be comparable to what we've already seen from the major cell phone carriers. So let me know if you guys are interested in this Tesla phone, man. Looks like a nice phone. I'm very, very interested in how the service is going to behave. And it looks like someone who disrupted one area is continuing to be a disruptor, which only bodes well for the consumer. And we're all consumers. We're all trying to save money so that we can invest that money and possibly one day have enough money we can become our own disruptors in the marketplace and be a billionaire like Elon Musk. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like the video. Please comment, subscribe. Go get yourself that life game. If you're someone who's trying to get invested and you want to hit me up for my expertise in having done a couple of businesses, I'm in stocks, I'm in real estate, and you just want to have a one-on-one session with me, check the link in the video description, and me and you can wrap it up via video chat. and see if we can help you meet your goals. Follow me on Instagram and DM me whenever you have questions, comments, and concerns. And until that next Sexy as Hell video, I'll see you.